was very slow. Only problem is water.
You're gonna get wet.
Yeah, I know. Last time I got wet most. And you know what? There is no way that you can get. There is no way that you can get off. You know, because you are like this. So if you are gonna get wet, you are gonna get wet.
You never know. That goes up that thing.
Where is Katya?
I don't know. Bastard.
Katya!
Go back.
Come to the exit. Oh my god! Oh my god! I hope I'm not gonna get wet. Holy shit! Oh!
What the freak?
Ah, yeah, that's the thing. No, you're not allowed to do that. You're, oh! I got away.
I'm gonna get wet.
That's the funny part. Блядь, yeah, блядь.
Where are we? Here's another one, boy.
Can't say I'm so cheap.
Don't cheat, don't cheat.
I cheat.
Oh, okay, I'm dead.
Oh! Oh! No!
We're no stupid kid.
No, this is oh, right here, right here.
We're not there, we're not there.
Here's back there.
All legal.
Oh! Holy shit!
That was bad. Oh, it's right here. Yo, there it is.
What, the fish? I'm where it?
Okay, so I'm the luckiest.
It's a fake one. It's a fake one.
It's a real one.
You are in trouble, man. You got wet too much, and you too. I didn't get wet at all, just a little bit.
At the last
Got to work. Need a bath anyway, loser. That's right.
If I wasn't taking video, I would do the same thing. Like I would put it off and yeah. So I am kind of lucky because I didn't get wet too much. This guy, I mean, this poor guy, and this two.